Hello. Who are you?
Hello! I am Penguin.
Why do penguins slide on ice? Sliding helps me move faster. Do penguins feel cold? My thick feathers keep me warm. How do penguins protect eggs? We keep eggs warm on our feet. Can penguins jump high? Yes! Strong legs help me jump. Can penguins dive deep? Yes. I dive deep for fish. Why are penguins fast swimmers? My flippers push me through water.
Why do penguins slide on their belly?
Belly sliding saves energy. Do penguins talk to each other? Yes. We use sounds to communicate. Do penguins care for babies? Yes. We protect our babies together. Are penguins good jumpers?
Yes! Strong legs help me jump.
Why are penguin feathers special? My feathers keep water out. Why do penguins swim together? Swimming together keeps us safe. How do penguins survive storms? My thick feathers protect me. Do penguins rest on ice? Yes. Ice helps us stay cool. I learned many penguin facts. Subscribe for more animal adventures.